burning like a fire. What you gonna do when it crumbles down? Watch it get higher, down to the wire. Will you let it burn till we almost drown? Higher, goodbye, honey, where do we lie? Where you're headed, am I going there too? I don't wanna ask why, wanna give this a try with you. And if you wanna go, I'll follow. I won't let you go alone, 'cause it's a big pill to swallow, but you won't do it on your own. And if you wanna go, I'll follow. I won't let you go alone. I don't care what happens now.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be wearing a 3-in-1 half wig from HerGivenHair. Guys, this wig is giving everything it is supposed to give. It is giving lushness, it is giving natural, giving class. I can just go on and on, guys. So the texture of this hair is coily 3B to 3C, length is 18 inches and the color is natural color. The wig has 3 wig combs at the front and 1 wig comb at the back. It also has adjustable stopper for proper fitting, like it fits into any head size. So I'll go ahead and drop the link of this unit in the description box. Guys, go check it out, you're going to love this. So for the installation, I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair into 2 parts. So in this video, I actually styled this wig in 3 different ways, and guys, I promise you're going to love each and every one of the styles. So just sit back, relax and watch. Just watch me do my thing. I promise you're going to love it.
Sky, I was always in the night.
So guys, I'll just go ahead and list some beautiful highlight features of this half wig. Number 1 is that this wig is very easy to install. Like, this is an easy to go wig. You can just install it in minutes and you're done. And this is also very beginner friendly. You don't have to be a professional to install this. Any beginner can just install this wig. And secondly, there is no lace and there is no glue and no spray in the installation process. Like, the installation process is just straight to point. No lace, no glue and no spray. And you also have to save your edges, guys. This wig saves your edges for you. There are no fear of losing your edges, guys. This is just too perfect. And it also has super low maintenance. Like, you don't have to do much to maintain this wig. It is very easy to maintain. You can just spray it some water and just run your fingers through it and it is just good to go. And also, this wig can be styled in multiple ways. You can style it in different ways. Like in this video, I styled it in 3 different ways, and there are also more ways to style it. Different ways of styling this, guys, and it is so nice. And finally, it is super natural and convenient. Like, after installing this wig, my friends were asking me, is that your hair? Like, is that your hair? Is that your hair? I was feeling so fly because it blended well to my hair. It was just too perfect, guys. So I'm going to stop talking for now. Just sit back and watch how I styled this unit 3 different ways, and I promise you're going to love each and every one of them. So guys, I'm sure you're wondering what I am doing with a skewer. Actually, I am coiling my natural hair with the skewer so it blends well to the wig, of course. So my hair is relaxed, so the only way the leave out hairstyle can blend well to the wig is if I coil my natural hair, and I think the skewer did the job very well for me. But of course, if you have a fussy hair, it is very easy. All you have to do is just use a coil activator on your natural hair and it's definitely going to blend well to the wig.
In denial of what I saw right in front of me, and every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to stay the night again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. never say goodbye. Fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong, and all I ever saw was love. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to say the night again, and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever, let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever, let's run away together. Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to say the night again, and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever, let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together.
So guys, we have come to the end of today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Of course, I know you love the styles already. Please drop your comments and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Which of the styles do you prefer? Let me know your thoughts on this video, and don't forget that the link of this unit is available in the description box. So guys, see you in my next tutorial. Bye.
Swear we'd never say goodbye. Fall asleep to love.